Okay, Sam, you see what it says here? According to this, it looks like we gotta take that path through them woods right there. Boy, I don't know, it looks pretty scary. Looks pretty scary in there. What do you think, Sam? You ready? Huh? Let's go see what we can find. Come on, let's go. Come on, kid, take me. You gotta protect me now. Make sure now I don't get attacked by no animals. That's right, come on, Sam. You know where we're going, boy, huh? That's it. Holy cow, look at this. Boy, these some deep woods, huh, Sam? Very scary in here. Very scary, huh? Yeah, okay, you show me. Make sure we go the right way now. Come on. Oh, boy. Looky here. Holy cow. Some deep woods in here. Could be all kinds of animals. What'd you see over there, Sam? What'd you see, huh? Is that... Oh, okay, here. Looks like the path goes this way, Sam. Yeah, uh-oh. Hey, where are you going? That's not the path. That's the path right there, huh? Okay, come on, let's go. Oh, look. Hey, look, Sam. It's the open field that shows in the map. Let's go see where it goes. See if we can find this little brook now.